Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel tips and tricks. So today's video is about how we can apply the middleware and how we can chain the without middleware on these routes. So I have a scenario where I have 3 routes and I want to implement the middleware on 2 routes, and I also want to group them each other. So there are 2 ways to apply the middleware on it. So first one is simpler without the group, and then I'm going to show the how you can group these routes and apply the middleware on it even you don't want to apply middleware on a specific one, right? So here there is a middleware property which is used to call the middleware. So I want to apply this is admin middleware, right? So now this is admin is applied on this test/1 route, right? So in this case, if I go here and copy this out, so here I also don't want to I want to apply this on 3 ones, but I don't want to apply this on this second one, right? So this is the simple stuff. And then if you want to call the multiple middleware on a specific one, so you can call this into this array, and like you can call the second one like this, right? But now scenario comes and I want to set the prefix at the top and then call the middleware again. So now let me roll back this thing. Okay, so here I want to group them into one route group. So route, and then I want to add the prefix of test. Okay, tests. You can also set this for the as, but in this case we don't have any as, that's why I'm skipping this out. So here I'm going to apply the middleware. Okay, and then what's the middleware name? So you can even also apply the middleware like in the array form here, right? Is admin, and you can also add the other. You can add it if you have only single middleware, so you can add it without the array. Okay, and then here you need to call the group, and this accept closure. Okay, and then let me close this closure out. Okay, like this, and here now I'm going to cut them out from there and paste them here, right? So now let me remove this test prefix from there. So now I have added this test here. So this one is 1 2 3 and test 1 2 3, right? And I have added this middleware at the top, right? But our scenario is we don't want to apply this middleware on it. We want to apply this on 1 and 3, but we want to add the prefix at the top, right? This middleware is applied on these 3 ones. So how we can ignore the middleware on the second one? So there is a one more helper is there without middleware. Okay, this one. And which middleware you don't want to apply this on one? So I want to call this is admin, right? So now let's go here and visit this and test this. Is it working properly or not? So let me first visit the one. Okay, so one, if the one is let me first show you that what our middleware is doing. So I added the false condition here. So basically it's redirecting this redirecting us on the home page, right? So if this name is not found in the first user, so it's going to redirect on the home page, which is the welcome page. Okay, so in the first case I have executed test/1 and it's redirected back, right? And if I go here and type test/2, so it's not going to redirect back, it's going to open the test2. And yes, 2 blades is open. It means that it means that middleware is not applied on this route, right? So if I open this 3, so it's going to return me back again on the same page, welcome, and yes, it's returned me back. So in this way you can remove the middleware from a specific one, right? So you can also remove the middleware from the controller, right? But we are doing this through closure, and in the next video I'm going to explain it to you that how you can exclude the middleware from a controller. So hope you get an idea. So if you like this video, please subscribe the YouTube channel, and if you want to get the daily updates at 11 AM according to the Pakistan time, subscribe the YouTube channel and get notified. Bye bye.